welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an exciting game called ball catcher, where you catch the balls raining from the sky. Today I am going to, in this video I will be showing you how to make it and go step by step through the things to make it and let you understand each part. So first we will need to be importing the libraries we need to be used to create this game. So we need Pygame, sys, time and random. Later on we will find out why we need this, but we need Pygame because our game's made in Pygame. I mean on the last line where it says Pygame.init, we need that to initialize Pygame. This is setting up our screen, like the width and the height of it. You the user can change that if you want. That's our FPS, how much your monitor, like frames per second, you can do. For mine it's 120, so I put it on 120. Feel free to change that to whatever you like. BG_color is the background color of your background. You can change that to whatever you want. I is a variable with 10, which we'll later on find out what we need. Here is making the screen using the width and the height variables we made at the slide just before this. And also it will be made, and at the line before that, after that, it's making the name for it. So for the window where the game is going to be, that's over at the top where you normally see the name for it. We will be writing down bold. You can change that to whatever you want. Clock equal Pygame.clock. We need that so for the FPS, so we can customize the FPS, etc. Running equals true, so the game can run, etc. While running, while running, if for example the player presses the X button at the top left, at the top right of the screen, it will quit the game instead of just freezing the game or just doing nothing at all. And then if that ever happens, running will equal false, which will close down the game. Here this is the code for the inputs, etc. So as you can see here, if the player presses key down, like for example for the key down, it will move up, down. If they press key up, it will move it up. And here, if those keys are pressed, at the line below, where I say if event.key equally, etc. That is what makes it go down or up whenever you press the down or arrow up or arrow key. As you can see here, if event.key equal Pygame underscore k ending k underscore d, player 1 for x will press equal 20. That is making the player move 20 to the other side. The other one below makes the player move the other two up. Here, this is where we are adding the collisions to detect if the player has touched the raining balls from the sky. And if that happens, it'll detect that. For example, you can see it here, object equal Pygame. That and the line, so the top two lines. Where it says colliding direct, that is making it that is adding the collisions. The line below is object equal, that is making the player is a rectangle who has to catch the balls, etc. And the screen.fill is as before on the very first slide, where it says where we made a BG_color variable. This, BG_color is the color code for what we want the background to be. Screen.fill, we put down the variable in screen.fill's brackets to make the background that color, and that's what screen.fill does. Pygame.draw rect screen, this is these two lines here at the top, the two lines at the top. These two lines here, that is making the player and the objects, like putting it on the screen. Before it was making them, now it's putting it on the screen. So the player can see here is making the display. Here is like it will be setting the FPS for the guy who's using, or the guy or lady who's using this right now, set the FPS to in the code. And here, this is Pygame.quit, so when the person press X, it will quit the game, and sys.exit will make it exit the game. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, please.
Well done.
Yeah, that's so good.